What's going on, guys? My name is Ryan Hamilton, and welcome back to the Panda MX5 channel. And now that I'm all set in Arizona, we're all moved in, everything's going good, I've started work and all that kind of stuff. I went ahead, I got the wheels on the car. I'll put in some stuff for that right now, just how the fitment is and everything. So let me run you guys through what all I had to do to officially get the wheels on. Alright, so here's what the rear looks like right now. It's all on there. Everything looks really good. I'm still running the 20 millimeters of spacer back here. Fitment is perfect. There is absolutely no rubbing. What I ended up having to do to the springs to get them to actually seat correctly is I shortened the shock a little bit. I cut down the actual shaft on the shock, rethreaded it, and that made it so the shock wouldn't droop as much and actually keep the spring seated so it wouldn't, flop around when I go up bumps and all that kind of stuff. And then in the front, I was having the issue of the wheel was still hitting on the spring on the inside. The barrel was actually rubbing on the inside of the spring every time I turned. So I actually added another 10 millimeters of spacer to the front. So I'm running 20 millimeters all the way around. And to keep that from hitting, I went ahead and spaced out the fender a little bit. Here's the front. And then the back, all I did was take out the two bottom bolts under here, and then there's that one on the inside there. I just took that off, pulled the fender out a little bit, and re-tapped it up on the inside. And then in the front, I just took that bolt that connects it to the bumper right here and moved it to the other side so the fender actually pokes out a little more. But that way I could still keep my stock fenders and not have wide body, quote unquote, but be able to fit it. So that's basically that for this video. The next thing I'm going to be doing is getting the KBD kit for the car, just to actually enhance it a little bit, make it look lower, because these tires raise the car up a little bit, so it doesn't sit as low as it usually would. With the spaced out front fenders, that's where the body kit actually hooks on. So I'm going to have to see what I can do to that to make the kit actually work with those fenders and not have a weird like twist or gap kind of thing in it or whatever. So that will be coming pretty soon. I have to save up some money so I can get a hold of that kit, and then we'll work on getting that all fitted. But for right now, she drives, she runs. I have zero rubbing at all. The 100Ks are doing their job very well, I would say. It is a very gnarly ride, but it's fine for daily driving, which is all I basically use the car for. So that's basically that. So go ahead, enjoy the shots, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.